Hello everyone, my name is Filipp Molotov and I've created an automatic intelligent log analyzer that uses the gemma 3N model which I loaded via Llama. I think many of you are familiar with the situation where you have a huge number of logs to analyze to understand the problem. My service helps to analyze logs much faster and more efficiently. It's written in Python and consists of a main server file, a file for communicating with Llama, a file for class definitions and other files such as page prompts and various additional files. It's very simple and easy to launch. In this case I am running it along with Llama on my laptop. The laptop has the following specifications: an Intel Core i7 8th Gen, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 6GB, as well as 16 GB of RAM and an SSD. Let's start the service with a simple command right here on my laptop and open a specially prepared form in the browser. As you can see, it's in English, but you can also switch it to Russian. We select a log file, preferably under 100 kilobytes due to hardware limitations, and start our process. As you can see, two windows have appeared. Anomalies appear here and solutions for the found anomalies appear here. Let's look at the graphs in the task manager. As you can see, the GeForce 1060 video card is under a slight load, using about 1.7 GB of GPU RAM, but the system RAM is heavily loaded, going from 8 GB in idle mode to almost 16 GB under the load of our model. Now let's wait for the results and see what we get. So we have the detected anomalies. As you can see, there are 4, a warning and 3 errors. We can expand them to take a closer look. In the meantime, we are waiting for the solution to be generated, which involves 2 different REST requests. We have now received our solution, and as you can see, it is provided right here. You can read it and get a comprehensive guide on how to solve the problem identified in the logs. This solution is very useful for beginners in IT as well as new team members who are not yet familiar with the system. The solution was successfully tested by junior level specialists and has been adopted for permanent use. Thanks for your attention.